All right, welcome to the objective session. This is now chapter 2. Okay. Polynomials. First, how to represent a polynomial in standard form. A polynomial in variable x, p of x, is represented in standard form as a naught x raised to n plus a1 x raised to n minus 1. ये n minus 0 will be n minus 1. Next coefficient a2 x raised to n minus 1 plus a3 into x raised to n minus 3 plus dot. Children, last two terms, I'm writing an x raised to n minus n. What is n minus n? 0. So it will be x raised to 0. And anything raised to 0 is 1. So an into 1. That will be an only. Is that clear? So the last term will be an, and there's no x, there's no variable here. So it is also called a constant term. What will be the term previous to that? Bolo, if it is nth term here, uske pehle ka term. If it is 10th term here, the previous term will be 9. If it is 15th term, the previous term will be, but don't say it in that way. 10th term, so 10 minus 1. 15th term, then the previous term is going to be 15 minus 1. So if the last term is nth term, the previous term will be, and this I am writing it down, x raised to n minus n minus 1. That is x raised to n minus n plus 1. This cancels. So x raised to 1. There's no need to write 1 as exponent because it is understood. Right? So this is how you represent a polynomial in its standard form. A naught x raised to n plus a1 x raised to n minus 1, a2 into x raised to n minus 2 up till the second last term, an minus 1 into x plus an. That's where this an is called constant terms. It is called constant terms. And what about a naught, a1, a2, a3? Okay, an ko bhul jao. These are real numbers. A naught, A1, A2, okay, they are real numbers, and they are called coefficients. They are called coefficients. You understand? And the highest degree, here degree is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, degree 1, and here as we have seen, x raised to 0. So the highest degree is n, highest degree, and that is called degree of polynomial. Degree of, so what is the degree of this polynomial? N. So polynomial with degree n is represented in standard form as a naught x raised to n plus a1 x raised to n minus 1 and so on. Is that clear? So this is how a polynomial is represented in standard form. Now we will see types of polynomials based on degree and based on number of terms. This is 9th standard revision, but it is important when you prepare the objective questions of this chapter. Okay? Chapter. Fine. Degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 term. And then I will take degree 0, 6, 9. Last मेरा. Now please pay attention. Polynomial p of x is equal to degree 1 है ना? So x raised to 1 और उसका कोएफिशिएंट हम a ले रहे हैं. No need to write 1 plus b. Directly मैं बता रहा हूँ ना. This is revision. P of x is equal to degree 2. So x square x, coefficient of x square a, coefficient of x b, and constant term c. चलो क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल डिग्री 3 वाला x cube x square x a b c d those are real numbers and coefficient. Follow p of x, the degree is 4, so I'll start with x raised to 4, x cube x square x, इसका कोएफिशिएंट a b c d और e and I'll put plus sign. This is polynomial with degree 4. Polynomial with degree x raised to 5, x raised to 4, x cube, x square, x. Coefficient a, b, c, d, e or f. This is polynomial with degree 5. Polynomial with degree, see you can put f of x, you can put q of x, you can put r of x, you can put m of x. It's not that you have to put p of x only. This is how polynomials are represented symbolically. So what is f of x? Degree 0. So I'll write x raised to 0 और उसका कोएफिशिएंट a. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So even if you don't write, it's fine. And this is polynomial with degree 0. Polynomial with degree 0. Now polynomial have degree 1. Polynomial with degree 1. It's called linear polynomial. It is called linear polynomial. This is polynomial having highest degree 2. So degree of the polynomial is 2. It is called quadratic polynomial. Alright. Now this one is having highest degree 3. 3, 2, 1, 0, highest 3. So it's a polynomial with degree 3. And it is called cubic polynomial. Now this is polynomial with degree 4. So it is called biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Alright. Polynomial with degree 5. There is no name after that. It is only called polynomial with degree 5, polynomial with degree 6. उसका कोई specific name नहीं है. It's only called polynomial with degree 5. और उसके आगे के सारे polynomials को ऐसे ही कहते हैं. And polynomial whose degree 0 is called constant polynomial. उसको क्या कहते हैं? So polynomial with degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Polynomial with degree 2 is called polynomial with degree 3 is called polynomial with degree 4 is called वहां तक के नाम. Alright, so these are the names of polynomial based on degree. Degree के degree पर से उसका नाम. Now number of terms. Number of terms and a polynomial. Number of term 1, 0 term तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. Number of terms 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. बोलिए p of x is equal to x square, बस इतना ही लिखा है. या 3x square या ax square, whatever you want. Polynomial with 2 terms. x cube 3 minus 5x. हो गए 2 terms. Polynomial with polynomial with 3 terms. 4x square plus 7x minus 9. Yes, it's a polynomial with 3 terms. P of x, ax plus x cube minus x raised to 4 plus 2x, 2 4 और 5. 4 terms only I get. No? Alright, I'll remove 1 term. And polynomial with degree 5. 3x square minus 4, 34 plus 9x cube plus x minus x raised to 7. Yes?
Sir, this fourth one is only 3 terms are there.
Like terms. I'll make it square. Very good. Dhruv. ax और x वाले like terms है. So उसको तो simplify करके एक ही term में convert किया जा सकता है. And now they are 4 terms. Right? Very good. देखो ऐसा ध्यान होना चाहिए. Polynomial with degree 1, that is called, not degree 1, 1 term, that is called monomial. Polynomial with degree, I'm saying degree only. 2 terms, binomial. Polynomial having 3 terms, trinomial. Polynomial having 4 terms, tetranomial. polynomial having 5 terms, pentanomial. यहाँ नाम है, उसके बाद hexanomial, heptanomial, octanomial, monomial, decanomial, right? So you have more names, but आप 10 तक याद रखो, that's enough. Okay? So that is how polynomials are named on the basis of number of. Is that clear? देखो इसकी डिग्री क्या है? What is the degree of this polynomial? 2, 1 or 0, highest 2, so 2. What is the degree of this polynomial? 2, 0, 3, 1, 7. So highest degree is, so the degree of this polynomial is, I'm asking you this because there will be one question in the board examination. The degree of p of x is dash. Lekin, I'm not going to give you this polynomial with simple terms. It will be with complex terms. Here is the example. Let's see. Here is the question. What's the degree of polynomial p of x? X square plus 7 into x cube minus 2x plus 1. Sure. Okay, fine. Please pay attention. ये तो expand करना पड़ेगा. You will have to expand this, right? Okay. So what you do? This into this. 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. This into this. 2x cube with minus sign. X square with plus sign. This you start 7x cube with plus sign. 7 2s are 14x with minus sign. 7 1s are 7 with plus sign. You don't need to multiply. अब देखो यहाँ लाइक टर्म्स है लेकिन वो तो एक बन जाएगी टर्म. भाई चलो x raised to 5 plus 5x cube plus x square minus 14x plus 7. अब आप एक्सपोनेंट देखोगे तो हाईएस्ट 5 है. But that you don't have to see. ऐसे चेक मतलब इतना काम करने की जरूरत नहीं. ये बाइनोमियल में हाईएस्ट डिग्री कितना है और जो ट्राइनोमियल जिसके साथ हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसकी हाईएस्ट डिग्री, वो हाईएस्ट डिग्री को प्लस कर दो. दैट इज द डिग्री ऑफ द एक्सपांडेड पॉलीनॉमियल. जब एक्सपांड करोगे तो वो 5 ही मिलेगा. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो यू डोंट नीड टू वेस्ट टाइम इन दिस सिंप्लीफिकेशन. ये एक्सपांड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ 3 है, सो टोटल 5 होगा. चलिए अनदर एग्जांपल. व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ दिस पॉलीनॉमियल? x cube minus 1 into x raised to 5 plus 1. इसका हाईएस्ट 3 है, इसका हाईएस्ट 3 है. 3 plus 5 m of x या m of y वेरिएबल मैंने बदल दिया. y minus 3y square plus y raised to 5 into y square minus 2y minus 7. ट्राइनोमियल into ट्राइनोमियल. ऑलराइट. हाईएस्ट क्या है और यहाँ हाईएस्ट, so 5 plus 2. So the degree of this polynomial is going to be 7. Is that clear? Sure. So there is no need to expand and see or find out the degree. Children, the next concept of this chapter is zero of polynomial. Let's try to understand. P of x is equal to x plus 2. Let's find the value of polynomial at x equal to something so that the value of polynomial becomes 0. क्या वैल्यू रखेंगे x की? माइनस. चेक करके देखो. P of minus 2 will be minus 2 plus 2. That is 0. So the value of polynomial at x equal to minus 2 is 0. So this value of variable x है polynomial. The value of for which the value of polynomial becomes 0 is known as zero of polynomial. Is known as zero of polynomial. Are you getting me? Okay. See, what is zero of polynomial? Definition. The value of k. The value of k such that the value of polynomial at x equal to k is equal to 0 is called zero of polynomial. Is called zero of polynomial. So this is how you can define. Or as I said in words, the value of variable for which the value of polynomial becomes 0 is known as 0 of that polynomial. I wrote here the value of k such that p of k is the value of polynomial and x equal to k is 0 is called 0 of. Is that clear? So that is the definition of 0 of polynomial. और अब 0 of linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial, तीन polynomial के zeros हमें ढूंढना है. First, linear polynomial. Second, quadratic polynomial. और third, cubic polynomial. Please quickly have a look at it. The linear polynomial is ax plus b, p of x, that is linear. Quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to, बोलिए, ax square plus bx plus c. And the cubic polynomial p of x equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus c. Of course, where this leading coefficient a is not equal to linear polynomial has one and only one zero. उसको unique zero होता है and that is alpha. Quadratic polynomial has at most, वो बहुत ही important है, at most 2 zeros. और cubic polynomial has at most 3 zeros. समझ में आएगा? और अब इसके जीरोस अल्फा, इसका अल्फा, इसका अल्फा बीटा. नाउ व्हाट इज अल्फा इन दिस केस? बड़ा आसान है, ax plus b equal to 0. So ax is equal to minus b. So x equal to minus b upon a. एक ही जीरो है and that is minus b upon a. इसका जीरो, बाप रे बाप, हमने निकाला था माइनस बी प्लस रूट डी, डी की जगह पे बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. और बीटा माइनस बी माइनस बी, दैट इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. सो दीज आर द जीरोस ऑफ. इसके जीरोस के बारे में हमने स्टडी नहीं किया, लेकिन इन द रिलेशनशिप हमने पढ़ी है दोनों को. रिलेशन, और यही है रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन जीरोस ऑफ linear polynomial and coefficients a and b. Now we will see relationship of zeros of quadratic polynomial and coefficients a, b, c. Here we will see the relationship between the zeros alpha, beta and gamma and coefficients a, b, c and d. Relationship between zeros and coefficients. All right, बोलिए, यहाँ अल्फा, ये वाला फिर से लिख दूं, अल्फा इज माइनस बी अपॉन ए. यहाँ अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज, बोलिए, यू नो इट, माइनस बी अपॉन ए. अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज करेक्ट. एंड फॉर क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गैमा. यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज अल्फा, व्हाट इज बीटा, व्हाट इज गैमा. इंडिविजुअली जीरोस कौन से फॉर्मूला वो पता नहीं, वो बना सकते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट इन योर कोर्स. बट रिलेशनशिप है, व्हाट इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गैमा, वही माइनस बी अपॉन. देन अल्फा बीटा प्लस बीटा गैमा प्लस गैमा अल्फा, दैट इज सी अपॉन, दैट इज सी अपॉन. અને अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू गैमा माइनस बी अपॉन माइनस. समझ में आई बात? इसी बेस पे हम बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस देखने वाले हैं. सो रिमेंबर इट वेल, जरा ध्यान में रखें. एक और बात, जो क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल है, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल है उसका ग्राफ कैसा होता है? द ग्राफ इज व्हाट? यस, द ग्राफ ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल इज पैराबोला, like this. Open upward if a is greater than 0 and open downward if a is less than 0. So ये ध्यान में रखना. and that graph based question would be there. पिक्चर एक दिया होगा, हाउ मेनी zeros it has. Okay, I'll draw a number of those graphs and show you. Okay, वही काम पहला करते हैं. Okay, children, I've drawn few pictures here. Let's see. The graph itself tells that this is a graph of a quadratic equation because it is parabola open upward, and you can say the leading coefficient A is positive greater than 0, and there are no zeros of this polynomial. ये polynomial के zero है नहीं because it is not intersecting x-axis. This is parabola open upward, so leading coefficient is positive and it intersects x-axis in 2 points, so it has two distinct zeros. This is not the graph of a quadratic polynomial. कितने zeros है? 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe biquadratic polynomial या polynomial having degree 5 or more, 4 or more than 4. 4 भी हो सकता है, 5 भी डिग्री हो सकती है क्योंकि 5 it has degree 5, but zeros will be at most 5. So 5 हो सकते हैं, 4 हो सकते हैं, 3 हो सकते हैं. Are you getting my point? So this can be a graph of polynomial with degree 4 or more. Exactly we cannot say. Yeah, definitely we can say it's a parabola. So graph of a, yeah, how many zeros this will have? 4. You all said it. This will have no zeros. This will have, it's a parabola open downward, so its leading coefficient will be negative. How many zeros it has? This. Alright. Now we'll see around 14 questions, objective questions, which is mostly based on zeros of polynomial. Alright children, the next we are going to see 14 objective questions. Kavya is going to read the statement. Please listen to it carefully and try to understand. I won't be writing the statement on the board. Yes, Kavya, can we start?
If the product of zeros of a quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus k.
Right. That is quadratic polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial p of x equal to
X square minus 4x plus k.
very good. If the
Product of zeros.
product of zeros, it is quadratic polynomial. So product is alpha into the product of the zeros is how much?
3
3. Then find the value of
k.
children. What is product of polynomial by relationship with coefficient? C upon A. So मुझे ये equation मिल गया. So 3 is equal to what is C and what is A? 1. So K is equal to 3. Done. Is that clear? This type of questions would be many that we are going to solve today, and one of them would be there in the exam as well. Yes, next.
If the sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x equals to
Yes, quadratic polynomial f of x equal to kx square minus 3x
plus 5.
plus 5. This is the quadratic polynomial. Alright? Yes.
Sum of zeros is 1.
Sum of zeros is 1. This time it is sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta is 1. Then find the value of k. बोलो what is alpha plus beta?
Minus b upon a.
अब ये अपना a है, ये b है और ये c है. चलिए 1 is equal to b minus 3. So plus 3 हो गया. A k cross multiplication. K is equal to. So in this case also we are getting k equal to. Clear? Yes, Kavya, next.
If x equals to 1 is a zero of polynomial
X equal to 1 is a 0. Of which polynomial?
x cubed minus 2x square plus 4x plus k.
Plus k, yes.
Then write the value of k.
Write the value of k. इस बार 0 is already given. What is 0 of this polynomial? 1 is a 0 of p of x. Again, therefore, p of 1 that is equal to 0 by definition. Now p of x has 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So P of 1 also should have 4 terms. And whenever you come across x, you should put पहली term x square. So that will be 1 cube. X cube, so 1 cube. Minus 2 into x square. So 2 into 1 square. Plus 4 into x. So 4 into 1. Plus k is equal to 0. So this is 1. Minus 2 ones are 2. Plus 4 ones are 4. Plus k equal to 0. So k. 4 or 1, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Plus 3 equal to 0. So k is equal to. Is that clear? ये जो भी ध्यान दिया होगा ना, if you have paid attention, आपको कुछ ना कुछ एग्जाम में आएगा. Here there are some children who are just sitting like a statue, not paying attention. आप ध्यान दोगे तो ही आपको समझ में आएगा. Okay, it will be fruitful to you only if you pay attention. Otherwise, you are simply wasting time. So next.
Write the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are 2 root 3 and 2 respectively.
Sum and product of zeros. What is the sum of zeros?
2 root 3.
2 root 3. And product?
2.
2. Sum and product of zeros of quadratic polynomial are 2 root 2 and 2. Which is the polynomial? P of x is equal to k into, ये फॉर्मूला याद रखना, x square माइनस ये आएगा सम ऑफ द रूट into x plus product of the root, where k is non-zero constant. So P of x is equal to बोलो x square minus तैयारी है 2 root 3 x तैयारी है plus 2. That's it. And don't forget to write where k is non-zero constant. So this is the polynomial whose sum of zeros and product of zeros are 2 root 3 and 2 respectively. You understand? ये लिखना जरूरी है. Infinite equation polynomials होते हैं. All right? चलिए. The next one.
If x plus a is a factor of
X plus a is a factor of
2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10, then
yes.
find a.
Find it. This is important. It is from the textbook. A polynomial given is what?
2x square
2x square
plus 2ax
plus 2ax
plus 5x plus 10.
5x plus 10. This is the polynomial. और हमें फैक्टर दिया है. What is the factor?
x plus a.
जो फैक्टर x plus a है. If x plus a is a factor, when you divide p of x by x plus a, the remainder will be 0. Remainder would be 0. So by factor theorem, remainder is equal to 0. When you divide this polynomial by x plus a, the remainder is equal to 0. And now by remainder theorem, what is the remainder? Remainder is p of ये x plus a है ना, तो इक्वल टू 0 लिखो और x की वैल्यू क्या आती है? माइनस. दैट वैल्यू p ऑफ माइनस a इज इक्वल टू, बोलो, p ऑफ x में 4 टर्म है तो p ऑफ माइनस a में 4 टर्म आएगा. 2x स्क्वायर, सो 2 into माइनस a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ax, 2a into माइनस a प्लस 5x, 5 into माइनस a प्लस 10 और आगे इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज माइनस. ओके, ये प्लस ही बन जाने वाला है, ब्रैकेट में है. सो प्लस 2a स्क्वायर, ये बन गया माइनस 2a स्क्वायर, ये बन गया माइनस 5a और प्लस. ये तो है a वाली टर्म नेगेटिव, वो बाजू ले चलो, इक्वल टू 0 है. सो 10 इज इक्वल टू प्लस 5, 5 1 5 2 i.e. a is equal to 2. This is very important, most likely to be asked, children. Be careful. I hope you have understood. Yes, Kavya, next.
If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial 2x.
Now it's going to get tougher. अब वो बेसिक पेपर नहीं, लेकिन स्टैंडर्ड पेपर वाले थोड़ा ज्यादा ध्यान दें. चलो.
If alpha and beta are zeros of 2y square plus 7y plus 5.
पोलिनोमियल क्या है? इन वेरिएबल y, 2y square
Plus 7y plus 5.
plus 5.
Then find alpha plus beta plus alpha beta.
Then find alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. आपको इसकी वैल्यू ढूंढनी है. अरे बाबा, अल्फा प्लस बीटा क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल क्या क्या होता है?
minus b upon a.
प्लस, और अल्फा इंटू बीटा क्या होता है?
b upon a.
प्लस सीधा कर दो ना, सिंप्लीफाई a माइनस b प्लस बोलिए a 2 b 7 और c माइनस b will be minus 7 प्लस c will be plus 5 और a will be 2 minus 2 upon 2 and that is minus. So what is the value? थोड़ा आगे सोचना पड़ता है भी, ध्यान दो. ओके चलो बेटा नेक्स्ट वन.
If alpha and beta are zeros of x square plus x plus 1,
If alpha and beta are zeros of
x square plus x plus 1, then find 1 upon alpha plus 1
1
upon
minute.
beta.
What is the polynomial?
X square plus x plus 1.
Okay, this is the polynomial. And its zeros are alpha and beta. Then find what?
1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta.
अरे ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं, तो मैं थोड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेशन कर देता. What is LCM? अल्फा इंटू बीटा. यहाँ बीटा यहाँ अल्फा. बीटा वन जा बीटा प्लस अल्फा वन जा, अभी बीटा प्लस अल्फा बोलो या अल्फा प्लस बीटा बोलो, इट्स वन एंड द सेम. What is अल्फा प्लस बीटा?
Minus b upon a.
अपॉन का मैं डिवीजन लिख रहा हूँ. What is अल्फा इंटू बीटा?
b upon a.
So ये minus b upon a multiplied by reciprocal a upon c. So that is minus b upon c. बोलो a क्या है 1, b क्या है 1 और c क्या है 1. बोलो minus b is 1 और c is 1. So it is minus. So what is the value 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta? I hope you all have understood. Next.
If 1 0 of f of x equals to k square plus 4 into x square plus 13x plus 4k is reciprocal of the other, find k.
Which is the polynomial given to you?
K square plus 4
K square plus 4
in bracket x
into
square
x square. Yes, the coefficient is bit complicated. Okay, x square का coefficient थोड़ा complex है.
plus 13k
13 13x
plus 4k
plus 4k.
is reciprocal of
Yes. ये जो quadratic polynomial है, उसका one of the zero is reciprocal of,
other.
उसका मतलब phi का reciprocal क्या होता है?
1 upon 5.
दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो 1. 2 upon 3 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता है? 3 upon 2. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो 1. माइनस 2 upon 7 का रेसिप्रोकल माइनस 7 upon 2. 7 7 कैंसल, 2 2 कैंसल, माइनस माइनस 1. So when two numbers reciprocal हो each other का, तो प्रोडक्ट इज ऑलवेज 1. यहाँ दो जीरो अल्फा और बीटा, they are reciprocal of each other. So alpha into beta is
1.
and what is alpha into beta?
C
C
upon
upon A. So ये इक्वेशन मिल गया. So 1 is equal to, be careful, this is your A, 13 is B and 4K is C. चलिए 1 equal to C 4K और A square plus 4. Cross multiplication, A square plus 4 is equal to 4K. A square minus 4K plus 4 equal to 0. चिल्ड्रन, ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ट्राइनोमियल है, या क्वाड्रेटिक के हिसाब से भी आप वेक्टर निकालो तो रिपीटेड आएगा. k minus 2 into k minus 2. This is whole square. Square root of first term k, sine of the middle term minus, square root of 4 2, that is equal to 0. So k minus 2 into k minus 2 equal to 0. So k is equal to 2. Repeat it. K is equal to, so the value of k in this case is, okay. Next.
If the sum of zeros of f of x equals to 2x cubed minus 3kx square plus 4x minus 5 is 6.
This time the polynomial is cubic, not quadratic. So how many zeros at most? 3. If all 3 zeros are there, then they are alpha, beta and
gamma.
then you know the relationship. Okay? चलो पहले मुझे polynomial बता दीजिए. P of x is equal to
2x cubed
2x cube
minus 3kx square
3kx square
plus 4x plus minus 5.
minus 1. This is the cubic.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Okay. This is cubic polynomial. Read from the beginning.
If the zeros of the if the sum of the zeros of polynomial is 6,
Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus, that is the sum of the zeros to be polynomial. That is equal to 6. बोलिए, but that is equal to, yes, minus b upon a plus 6 is equal to. This is your a, next is b, next is c, and the next is d. आपको minus b चाहिए. Minus 3k है, it becomes plus 3k. और a 2 है. Correct, 6 multiplied by 2 or upon 3 is equal to k. 3 1s are 2s are. So k is equal to, clear? Understood? Alright. Next.
if the product of the zeros
Please
of,
pay attention.
if the product of the zeros of ax cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is 4, then a equals to dash.
Again cubic polynomial. P of x. Ax cube.
Minus 6x square
Very good.
plus 11x minus 6.
If the product of zeros of this polynomial is
4.
so alpha into beta into gamma, that is product of zeros, and that is 4. बोलो. Minus b upon a. अपना a ही है, b minus 6 है, c 11 है और d. ये हमारा इक्वेशन 4 equal to b is minus 6. So minus b will be plus, और a cross multiplication, a is equal to 6 upon 2 3s are 2 2s are. So a is equal to 3 by 2. So got that? What is a?
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Next,
If the product of two
two
zeros
zeros. दो zeros का product. If the product of two zeros of
polynomial
कौन सा polynomial?
2x cube plus
2x cube
plus 6x square
6x square
minus 4x plus 9.
minus 4x plus 9. The product of two zeros, actually इनका 3 zero alpha beta gamma, and product of all 3 zeros is not given. Product of two zeros is
3.
3. Product of any two zero is 3. Then find the third. अभी हमको पता है product of all 3 zeros is minus b upon a. वो पता है ना? What is a? What is b? What is c? And what is d? चलो ये अल्फा इंटू बीटा, that is 3. और तीसरा gamma minus b will be minus 9. A will be 2. चलिए, so gamma is equal to minus d minus 9 upon 2 और 3 नीचे. 3 1s are 3 3. So the third zero is minus 3 upon 2. Is that clear? How many are left?
3.
3 more. Okay, beta. Next.
If alpha and beta are zeros of ax square plus bx plus c, then 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square.
Now this is interesting. अपना जो quadratic polynomial है वो standard form में ही है. ax square plus bx plus c. That is the polynomial. If zeros are alpha and beta, then find what?
1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square.
Once again, I have to do simplification. Alpha square into beta square. So here beta square and here alpha square. So beta square plus alpha square. But I'll write alpha square plus. Now here there is terrible substitution. ये alpha plus beta whole square का expansion. Alpha square plus 2 alpha into beta plus beta square. लेकिन मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ plus beta square. फर्स्ट और लास्ट टर्म की जगह पे फर्स्ट और सेकंड टर्म में लिखा. सो व्हाट इज अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर? ये टर्म ये बाजू जाएगी, इसका तो कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर? अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा अपॉन अल्फा बीटा होल स्क्वायर. इसको भी ब्रैकेट में ले. नाउ आई हैव गॉट द वैल्यू. अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज व्हाट? माइनस b अपॉन a और उसका स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू अल्फा बीटा इज व्हाट? c अपॉन a. इसको लार्ज ब्रैकेट में रख दिया न्यूमरेटर को, डिवाइड बाय अल्फा बीटा होल स्क्वायर What is alpha into beta? C upon A. अब इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन करो, ये तो प्लस हो गया b स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस 2c अपॉन a मल्टीप्लाइड बाय बोलो a स्क्वायर अपॉन c स्क्वायर चलेगा, मल्टीप्लाई स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर भी कर दिया। अब इसका एलसीएम तो a स्क्वायर यहाँ 1 यहाँ a बोलो 1 into b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ca मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a स्क्वायर अपॉन c स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर कैंसल, so b square minus 2ca upon c. The options are not given, but one of the options would be there, A, B, C, D. All right? Is that clear? So this is slightly tough, क्योंकि यहाँ से हमारे पास अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है इन टर्म्स ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट। हमारे पास अल्फा प्लस बीटा ही है और अल्फा इंटू बीटा ही है। So what is अल्फा प्लस बीटा? अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर, अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा। चलिए रीड द नेक्स्ट वन।
A quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose zeros is 0 and one zero is 3, is dash. Option
Quadratic polynomial is a dash. Sum of whose zeros is 0. Alpha plus beta equal to sum of whose zeros is
0 and one zero is 3.
अच्छा 1 0 is 3 वैल्यू रख दो। So 3 plus b is equal to 0. So the other 0 is
Minus 3.
a quadratic polynomial p of x. P of x is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. चलिए k into x square बोलो इसका सम तो 0 ही हो जाने वाला है। अल्फा प्लस 3 माइनस 3 0, so that is 0 into x प्लस दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 3 3 are 9 with minus sign, so that is equal to k into x square। ये तो निकल गया माइनस 9। अब ऑप्शन के हिसाब से देखना है। पहला ऑप्शन
K square minus 9.
हाँ
X square minus 9.
x स्क्वायर माइनस 9, दूसरा ऑप्शन
X square plus 9.
x स्क्वायर प्लस 9, तीसरा
X square plus 3.
x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 और चौथा
X square minus 3.
बोलो आंसर कौन सा? कुछ सोचेंगे सर के आया अब क्या करें, तो k इक्वल टू 1 लिया, k इज एनी रियल नंबर 1 लिया, तो ये मल्टीपल आंसर्स है, पर बहुत सारे इनफाइनाइट पॉलिनोमियल्स होते हैं, उनमें से ये एक है। व्हेन यू टेक k इक्वल टू 1, सो द आंसर इज नेक्स्ट।
If 3 and minus 3 are zeros of polynomial, then third zero is
If 3 and minus 3 are zeros of,
x cube
yes, the polynomial is x cube
plus x square
plus x square
minus 9x
minus 9x
minus 9.
minus 9
Sir, minus 9.
minus 9. Okay. The two zeros, अल्फा बीटा और गैमा में से 2 जीरो दिए हैं। The earlier one question, the product of two zeros was 3 and other. આ વખતે બે ઝીરો આપેલા, એક 3 and other,
Minus 3.
then find the,
Third.
again I'll use that result. Alpha into beta into gamma is minus b upon
A.
all right. What is a? 1. What is b? 1. What is c?
Minus 9.
and what is d?
Minus 9.
अब मैं रख दूंगा बाबा, अल्फा 3 है, बीटा माइनस 3 है, गैमा अब d माइनस 9 है, सो माइनस d विल बी 9 और a is 1, so minus 9 into gamma is equal to 9, so plus becomes minus 9 ones and 9 ones, so gamma is equal to minus, so the third zero is minus 1. Finished? So here we conclude chapter 2 objective questions. All right.